Seva Bharati Sansthan is an organization inspired by the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh * Seva Bharati is a pan-India registered institution established in 1989. Those who are poor, deprived, neglected, afflicted, and helpless people who are poor in the society with the feeling of * serving the dejected sad is ours. * service work is conducted permanently among the society's brothers. Education, health, self-reliance, social harmony is our service, dear sir. As per our telephonic conversation here, I am sharing the profile of * Seva Bharati Sansthan, Bikaner * for your reference. * service function key points. *1 Seva Dham Hostel, Dangargarh, in which needy children. Number 45 Arunachal Pradesh 2 Purvanchal 9 Himachal 2 Orphans 12 children and 22 children of other castes also reside here from different areas, providing food, education free of cost. 2 Bal Sanskar Center 3 Medical Counseling Center 4 Computer Testing Center 5 Jal Mandir 6 Restaurant 7. Various service functions are conducted for the Sarva Ethnic Mass Marriage Conferments * Corona Epidemic Services Functions. *1 Making blood donation plasma available to patients. 2 Vaccination Camp 3 Making medical service oxygen ventilator oxygen concentrator machine available. 4 Distribution of food packets, rationing services. 5 Ambulance service free. 6 Ayurvedic medicine decoction hot steam stem therapy free and sanitizer spraying, mask free delivery. 7 Coronavirus awareness camp. Door-to-door campaign and various service works are being done free of cost by the Seva Bharati Institute in the interest of the society, as discussed. If we can get the help of oxygen concentrator for our shelter home kids and for people in need, will be highly appreciated. We can assure you about the best use of oxygen concentrator for the society and for people who are in need * in the time of trouble. The interest of the National Society plays a leading role for Seva Bharati Sansthan Bikaner Seva Works *.